Say good morning, everybody. I just nursed baby boy. He woke up at like 7:30. He slept pretty good last night. And I woke up engorged. My shirt was all leaking everywhere because I didn't pump. Like 4.5 from my haka. And then I put him in his playpen this morning. And he wasn't having it. He was crying, so I took him out. And I gave him the little walker thingy. And he lost his balance and fell backward. And it like hit him in the lip. And I feel so bad. But he seems okay. Like he busted his lip just a little bit. And then by his tooth, it was bleeding. Yeah. You okay? Open. No. Okay. I'm sorry, baby. You're all better now? Here, what if you hold your milk? Does that make you feel better? Yeah. Here, I'll take this. I don't want you to hurt your tooth. Oh, look at me. Say okay, bye, friends. Bye, friends.